Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovational Blends. Today I will show you my record of thesis design process including my sketchbooks, prototypes and research findings. And I will also tell you how to organize a thesis work process and what are the benefits of keeping it organized. So let's get begin. As you take a look at my sketchbook, the first thing you will notice is that I have written down my topic right at the beginning. It's like setting the stage for what's to come next. Then I have dived into some deep theoretical research that's directly related to my topic. It's like digging into the nitty-gritty details to understand the subject better and get some direction for my work. Next comes motive development. Additionally, I gather a multitude of images, a large collection indeed. There are lots of them carefully chosen to support my design exploration. It's like having a visual library right in my sketchbook. You can see that I have attached reference images of the motifs and added written explanations. Written explanations are essential because they describe the ideas behind each design. And you know what? I have even divided my topic into smaller parts to make things easier to handle. It's like breaking down a complex task into manageable chunks. I also added color swatches with each stylization. It made it easier for me to create my thesis color palette and give a more organized feel to my work. It means you shouldn't miss anything. Research findings, writing explanations, and color swatches. Take everything along for your final presentation. So, if someone sees a motif and asks about its source, you won't panic and have everything right in front of you. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll show you more and I'll talk about how to choose a color palette that complements your topic and make it look great. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank